When I purchase items, especially electrical items, I go for the quality. And when it came to solar panels, I wanted to do the same. I wanted something that was going to last, and the backup and service from the installers with confidence in that it was going to be safe and lasting. In terms of quality, 25-year warranty on the panels. I had the backing of that large corporate money. The likelihood of them going broke, as is unfortunately the problem with a lot of the smaller companies, was negligible compared to some of the others that I had looked into as a potential alternative. The inverters, again, the quality of those was rated as one of the best. They're rated amongst some of the top installers from some of the reviews that I had read. The company has been extremely helpful. There was a couple of teething problems in the first couple of days. They were rectified instantly, and the monitoring is online. All I have to do is press a button on my phone. I know what's happening with the system. I did a lot of research on the internet as to what system may suit our purposes. We were umming and ahhing. There's a lot of 6.6 kilowatt systems being advertised by the cheaper companies. We looked into their actual panels, their inverters, and some of the companies were fairly new to the market, and especially the ones that advertise in the papers. I have read also a lot about them rebranding, renaming their companies to avoid future claims of warranty, and therefore basically voiding your warranty.